Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To modify the general settings within a custom preset of PDF settings, click the General category that appears underneath the expanded view of the preset settings within the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box. To the right, enter a description of what these settings are used for by typing it into the description text box. In the File Options section, you then set the general file properties. Use the Compatibility drop-down to select the compatibility level of Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader that must be used to open or edit the PDF file. Unless there is a specific need for backwards compatibility, you should use the most recent version to ensure you include all of the newest features and functionality. You can choose a level of compression to apply to the objects in the PDF by making a choice from the Object Level Compression drop-down. Selecting Maximum compresses all structural objects such as bookmarks and accessibility information, making this information unavailable in both Acrobat and Reader 5.0. Selecting Tags Only compresses structural information in tags only. Selecting Off will not compress anything. The Auto Rotate Pages drop-down allows you to specify the rotation of pages automatically according to the direction of text within the pages. However, note that if Process DSC Comments is selected in the Advanced category and %% Viewing Orientation DSC comments are included in the document, then those comments will take priority over the page rotations setting in this drop-down menu. The choices in this drop-down menu are collectively by file, which rotates all of the pages in the document in the direction of the majority of the text in the document, individually, which rotates each page individually based on the text orientation of each page, or off, which prevents pages from being automatically rotated. You can select left or right from the binding drop-down to choose left or right side binding for the PDF file. This changes how the PDF pages appear in the two-page scrolling view and when two-page thumbnails appear side by side. The number entered into the resolution text box is used by PostScript files to emulate resolutions based on the printer to which they are printing. Acceptable values range from 72 to 4000. Note that increasing this setting may increase file size and processing time. You should leave this at the default setting unless you want to print to a specific printer while emulating the resolution defined in the original PostScript file. You can then choose which pages to convert. Normally, this is left at the All Pages option button. If needed, you can select the Pages option button and then enter the starting and ending page numbers to convert into the adjacent From and To text boxes. You can check the Embed Thumbnails checkbox to embed page thumbnails in the PDF file. Note that you should leave this deselected for users who have Acrobat 5.0 or later, as their page thumbnails are generated automatically when the Pages panel is clicked. You can check the Optimize for Fast Web View checkbox to ensure that the PDF is structurally optimized for quick display from a web server. In the Default Page Size section, you can enter the default page size for the PDF. Use the Units drop-down to select the unit of measurement to use. The choices are points, picas, inches, centimeters, or millimeters. Then enter the desired width and height of the pages using the units of measurement chosen into the adjacent width and height text boxes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.